How to transfer money from Cash App to Chime. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel and let's see how we can do it. So for this, just open up your Cash App, then click on the profile icon at the top right hand side corner, and over here just scroll down and now click on the option of linked banks. After that, click on the option of link debit card. Now just put the details of your Chime debit card over here and click on link card. In case if you don't have the card details and you want to link it using the bank details, then just simply click on this option of no card. After that, just click on this option of continue and wait for it to load. Now just select Chime, and in case if Chime is not there for you, just simply search it up on the institutions. After that, just simply select Chime option. Now just click on this option of continue to login. This way you would be able to link your Chime account with Cash App. And now when you try to cash out from Cash App, you will be shown the option of Chime. Just select that particular option in order to transfer money from Cash App to Chime, and that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.